Well, it looks like we're entering the barangay of Cateel, or the district of Cateel. But the reason I stop here is because there is a beautiful little beach right there. Let's have a look. Actually, there is a sign there with a beach lot for sale. It should be pretty nice to live by here. Look at this spot. Isn't it that look pretty? A little cove bay there. Beautiful. Well, when you think about tropical paradise, this is what it looks like. Just chatting to those boys there, the fishermen, and they told me 10 meters wide by 25 meter long, 1 million pesos for the block, which is about 25,000 Australian dollars. What you reckon? To live on the beach like that, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go and have a look. We are at one of probably the most well filmed waterfall in Philippines, I will say. They're pretty famous. They're near Cateel, and they call Waterfalls. Probably heard of them before. If you haven't, you will recognize it. Pretty excited to be here. Just arrived to Cateel today, so I'm going to go and explore and see what's around, of course. And we start with the waterfalls. Let's have a look. They say that the longest waterfalls, they got tiers of waterfall for a couple of days. I will get the drone up to have a look after that. Here they are. can't really swim at the Aliwagwag Falls, so I just went past the falls and find that bridge. There was a little truck coming down and have a swim in that beautiful fresh river. It's a hot day, best way to cool down. It's beautiful. Alright, after the swim, it's time for a little snack. All those little shack near the, that's actually near the Aliwagwag Falls there, so I'm just going to get few things here with Ate here. She's going to give me a talong, a piece of fish and some rice. Oh, look at the fish, guys, look at What type of fish is that? River? No.
Yes, the other is on the river.
This one?
This one, yeah.
Okay, now. Rice. And I want the talong, the last one. This is eggplants. I love eggplants. I'm going to take this one too. I take this one for me. Yeah. Ani kayo. This one there. And the little fish, just put it
There.
in the same.
This one?
This one, yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. That's going to be snack, lunch. We see how we feel, and then if we're hungry, we eat some more on the way. Okay, let me eat. Well, that's my accommodation here in Cateel. I just arrived, booked the place, Edar place. Pretty good, looks very nice, and I will show you around. This is Gemma, the manager.
Hello.
She looked after me very well when I arrived. Let me checking in. Thank you. I'll show you around. They've got a nice they've got a nice little area. And I come early and they let me check in early, so that was pretty nice. It's a little bit dark. I might have to, yes, okay. So that's my accommodation. Already put some stuff in a room, but that's what I get. I don't need very much because I travel alone, and I'm just trying to budget a little bit, that's all, because I'll be traveling for a few years, so I need to budget. Try to stay under the 1,000 pesos a night when I stay overnight, and if I stay monthly, of course, I get a better deal. But this is what you get. This one is 1,500. You get a free coffee, breakfast, not too clear about it yet, Wi-Fi, aircon, get a room, tile floor, a little desk, and of course private CR. I got a water spa. I don't get any hot and cold. Normally, between when I pay around 800 to 1,500. Sometimes I get hot water with the room. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I get only the cold water with the hose. Sometimes I don't get the hose. I get only the tap with the bucket. This is pretty standard in Philippines, the bucket. So that's where I'm going to be for the next few days when I'm looking around Cateel here. And so stay tuned and keep watching.